Hey guys, so I'm gonna start off with my brows and let's get to it.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stayed.
For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here for my crease and transition color. If I'm being honest, I never really know what makeup look I'm going to do. I just kind of sit down and choose whatever colors I think are going to look best for whatever I want to do. And usually it all falls together, but sometimes it doesn't. Like today, I don't know how this is going to end or what other color I'm going to use, but hopefully it comes together.
I think we're done, then you ask.
So now I'm going to cover my whole lid, and I'm going to use this dark shade right here.
And watch it dry. And there it is, my love, 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 love.
So after putting that darker shade on my eyelid, what I decided to do is I'm going to put white in the middle between my eyes on each eyelid. And I saw this on Instagram a couple weeks ago, and I've never tried it, so I thought it'd be cool and fun to do.
Mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not.
So I'm all done doing the white, and now I'm just gonna set it with an eyeshadow.
We're young and we never take things slow. I lose myself.
Please don't if it turns out shitty, you know, makeup's a lot harder than it looks.
I calm down and watch it dry.
So now after really looking at my eyes, I just put some thought into it, and I really want to add some glitter, so. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick in the shade Y365.
I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more pain.
And I know this foundation is way too dark for me, but I'm already pasty as hell and I love to look tan. So I don't need any hate. For highlight, I'm using the same brand, Makeup Forever, but I'm going to be using the shade 125 equals Y315. I don't know if that even makes sense, if this will focus. But yeah, that's the shade I'm going to use.
Need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud. Love, love, love.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You need to see.
For contour, I'm going to be using this NYX Matte Bronzer.
I'm so sorry.
So I have a dilemma, guys. So if you couldn't already tell, I do have highlighter and contour already on. While I was recording, my dumb did not see that my camera shut off and stopped recording. And I already had contoured and put on highlight. But guess what? I'm not letting that ruin my video, so I'm just gonna redo it all. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the collaboration with Nicole Guerrero. This is like my favorite highlighter of all time, and I don't think they sell it anymore, which is a real big bummer because this is like my favorite highlighting palette. Like, this is the shit, guys. And I'm using the shade Glow Getter.
There it is, my
guys are probably gonna think I'm weird for doing this, but my next step, I'm putting on my eyeliner. Okay, so the lashes are on. Okay, finally the last step is gonna be lipstick, and I'm gonna use Kat Von D's Liquid Lip in the shade Bow and Arrow.
Mind and body just can't agree.
And for setting spray, I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Press Priming Set. Let's just... Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go put on a wig and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. But yeah, overall I think this look came out pretty great. Besides this like little wonky lash right here. But we'll just hide it with hair, so shh. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. All my social media will be linked below. It's all Juju Mics. And until next time, peace!